Hello everyone, back tuning into today's first video. We're going to have a look at the weather for some more events for today's first video. We've got more events coming up at the end of the week and into weekend. So we're going to be doing forecasts for the Open, which will be taking place from Thursday to Sunday, 18th to 21st of July at Royal Portrush in County Antrim, Northern Ireland. And also Latitude Festival will be taking place again, 18th to 21st of July at Henham Park in Blythburgh, Suffolk, not far from the East Coast. So I'll talk you through the weather that we can expect for these events very shortly. Just say that if you enjoy the Gas Weather's events forecast, then please like, share and subscribe, and let us know in the comments if you are enjoying what we're doing. We're going to have the week's 10-day video update coming up on the homepage at gasweathers.com this afternoon. So we're going to start off on Thursday. This is going to be day one of the Open. Well, I think they do practice rounds before that, but it's kind of like the main first day for the Open at Royal Portrush in Northern Ireland, and also be day one for Latitude. Looks a bit unsettled. Low pressure is out to the northwest of Scotland, and we're bringing in this quite showery west to northwesterly wind. Upper air temperatures are looking quite cool. They're a little bit below average, I would have thought, with those upper air temperatures. There is a band of showery rain that's pushing eastwards across England and Wales as well during the course of Thursday. This band here with sunshine and showers following along behind. So this could take rain into Suffolk through the course of Thursday afternoon and give a bit of a damp opening day to the Latitude. And lots of showers following along behind, and they could well be impacting play for day one of the Open as well. So it looks a bit changeable here for both of these events, one on the eastern side of England and one over in Northern Ireland, but both of them could be impacted by rain actually during the course of Thursday. That band of rain clears away from the east coast late on Thursday evening, so things should dry up by evening across Suffolk. But the showers keep going across Northern Ireland, so that could well have an impact on the opening day's play there. Temperatures on Thursday, well, they're looking very cool for Northern Ireland, only 15 or 16 degrees. Very, very disappointing with those heavy showers and strong winds coming through. If you're planning to go and watch the golf there, I think you'll need to put a warm coat on. Over on the East Coast, but it's going to be a lot warmer there, so temperatures in Suffolk around 20, 21. Excuse me, of course it will feel cool under the cloud and rain, but when the sun comes out, not too bad at all. This is Friday, day two of the Open, and also day two of Latitude. And we've got a little ridge of high pressure trying to build across the far southeast. Actually, that's a transient ridge. However, low pressure is developing out to our west. So again, quite a changeable scenario. Upper air temperatures still look quite cool, really, for the time of the year. So there's a band of heavy rain that's developing, or a lump of heavy rain that's developing close to the Republic of Ireland and heading over the Irish Sea in towards Wales. Otherwise, a reasonable amount of dry weather through Friday, and this rain pushes north as it could well threaten the Open by the end of Friday afternoon. But actually, this does look like a rather drier day for Northern Ireland on Friday compared to Thursday. Over on the eastern side of the country, it looks mainly dry, really, for day two of Latitude. There might be the odd light shower there close to the east coast, but to be honest, that doesn't look too bad. Temperatures, well, because there's less rain around, more sunshine, the temperatures are up a little bit, but still quite cool for Northern Ireland, only 16 or 17 degrees. Going further east into eastern parts of England, again, we're around 20 or 21 there on Friday afternoon at Henham Park. So, again, close to average, really, not too bad. And then we go through to Friday night, and this area of wet weather then starts pushing eastwards across the country. So it does turn very wet through the course of Friday evening to Saturday morning here on the east side of the country. If you're camping over there in Suffolk at Henham Park for Latitude, well, take your waterproof, because that is a bit of a deluge that is being forecast there for Suffolk on Friday night, Saturday morning with that band of heavy rain. Might even be a little bit thundery with that band of wet weather. Now through Saturday itself, that system gets out of the way, clears off into the North Sea, and things start to dry up. Upper air temperatures lift up a little bit with this system as well. It is starting to introduce some slightly warmer air from the southwest. And once we get rid of that persistent, heavy, possibly thundery rain on Friday night and the early hours of Saturday, once that gets out of the way into the North Sea, actually it's not too bad a day on Saturday itself. A lot of dry weather there, both in Northern Ireland. So day 3 of the Open should be a lot better, should be dry, mainly dry, maybe a few light showers, but it should be mostly dry with sunny spells. And once that heavy rain clears away from Henham Park on Saturday morning, it looks like it's a mainly dry day again through the course of Saturday for day 3 of latitude. Temperatures are lifting up, so across the Northern Ireland we're up to around 18 or 19 degrees, probably about average for the time of year, certainly feeling a lot better in the sunny spells. And for Suffolk we're talking about 21, 22, maybe 23 degrees, so not too bad at all there either. Temperatures into the low 70s Fahrenheit. And then finally we get through to Sunday, Sunday 21st of July. It's the final day of the Open and will be the final day of latitude. And we're starting to build up a bit of a ridge of high pressure to our south and southeast. But wind is switching around to more of a southerly as well. So it is becoming warmer here. The upper air temperatures are starting to lift up. There's a lot of dry weather on offer as well. Does suggest a chance of a few showers across Northern Ireland. So the final day of the Open might have some showers, but completely dry on the eastern side of England. So the final day of latitude does look dry, fine, sunny, and potentially very warm. Temperatures going into the mid-20s Celsius here. So the final day of latitude could be very warm indeed, up to around 25 or 26. That's getting close to 80 Fahrenheit. Pretty warm for Northern Ireland as well. For the final day of the Open, temperatures go up to around 21. That's 70 in Fahrenheit. It might be a little bit warmer than that, actually. Depends whether those showers do develop across Northern Ireland on Sunday afternoon. So it's a rather changeable period, this. It's not going to be completely dry, especially early on, Thursday and then late Friday to Saturday. There could be some rain around, and particularly wet, potentially, late Friday into Saturday for latitude. I'm a little bit concerned about how much rain could fall, actually, on Friday night, Saturday morning. That might be a bit thundery. So if you're camping, well, be prepared. But otherwise, once that gets out of the way, the second half of the period for both of these events, for both the Open and latitude, looks pretty good, actually. A lot of dry weather being forecast there for the rest of Saturday and again on Sunday. And temperatures get warmer as well. So it starts off pretty cool, and then by the end of the weekend, actually, we see temperatures potentially becoming very warm. Right, we may do another update later in the week. If you have enjoyed this this video for looking at weather for latitude and the Open, then please like, share and subscribe, and let us know in the comments that you enjoyed it. That's all for now, and thanks for watching.